So we're continuing with Wingy. Mr. Michael Anderson, aka Wingy. Alright, so Michael, you spoke about being a trainer at Pizza Hut. But for you, what are the roles and responsibilities of a trainer? Tell us more about your role as a trainer, how you got into it, what you were asked to do, and how you excelled, on a regular basis.
Well, and the most important thing is preparation. There's a big P on the wall. I'm always explain to the training them. When them come, them look on that P. There's a big P in pizza. So I use that P as my thing. It's preparation. Always prepare. So training role. One thing I always have my documents. Always have my handout. Always have my papers. So that's a very important tool to have. You cannot get off guard. You can't make the training them to say I run up and down like you don't know what you're doing. Always have the tool them set. Always have the tool them ready. Okay. Always have the tool them together. Can't look like you don't know what you're doing. So I think I execute in that department where preparation is concerned, because I always have my handout, I always have my tool, and I think that was Miss Powell big concern in terms of the rest of trainers in the system. They never prepare, So she kind of found of me, start to ask me the question, start to, So first thing when a training come on the first day, preparation of the tool. I bring him around the place, I introduce to him, I tell him first thing you explain to him is the type of chemicals, So in our industry we have many types of chemicals, so we explain that to them, So we make them write down the usage of the chemical and the procedure of the chemicals. So that's the first day. And then do that now, they read up, get them documents. Second day now, they start to buzz. Buzzing is a station where the team member them wash them plate, and everything. So moving forward up the ladder, start to work. How I execute it well is by believing in them, because you have different type of training. You have different personality in terms of the know-it-all. You have the person always want to impress the trainer and always want to show that they are the head of the class. How I deal with situation like that is I start a timing process in terms of how well can you execute in a time frame. So I start like, for example, door station. I always have a look at timer right there in terms of how well you do the door, in terms of pertaining to time overall. So I use that to gauge them. Not just by you can do it fast and everything, how well you utilize time, because time is very important at the door station. Every time matter. Door station is a position where time is very important. So I use that judge them, and some of them fail, some of them pass, but it's just a wonderful thing, Segment.